Hey everyone, in this quick guide, we're going to show you exactly how you can download and install Java on Windows. This is perfect if you're trying to run things like a Minecraft server, Forge, Optifine, Iris shaders, or really any other Java-based tools. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribing. It really does support the channel. Now, if you're getting stuck on trying to open things like, say, the Iris installer or Forge, it's likely because Java isn't installed or the right version isn't set up, but don't worry, we're going to walk you through how you can do it step by step. Begin by opening up a web browser of your choice and head to java.com, or just simply search Java download and use this first link right here. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and what you're going to want to do is actually click download Java for desktop, just like so, and then hit download Java for desktops again. What this is going to do is automatically start that download if you're on Chrome, and it's going to download right up here. And you can either just click on it directly from here or open up your File Explorer, go to the Downloads tab, find that same download, and double click on it. It's going to pop up with a little pop-up. You're just going to want to continue through the installation process. It'll look something like this, and go ahead and essentially hit install. It's going to take a little bit to load. It shouldn't take too long, but it's all dependent on your internet connection. But once that installer does finish, you'll see a short message just like so confirming that Java has been successfully installed. Simply go ahead and hit close. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is actually get the Java Development Kit, which is also known as GDK, which is often required for running Minecraft servers or advanced mods. You're going to want to head back to your browser and go to oracle.com/java/technology/javis, which is JAVASE-downloads.html, or just search up Java JDK download and it'll pop up. On here, go ahead and find the Java SE Development Kit downloads just like so, and go ahead and navigate to whatever platform you're on. I'm on Windows right now, so I'm going to click on this and then look for the x64 installer just like so. Go ahead and hit download on that link that's next to it, and it's once again going to automatically start downloading. Once again, open up that file. It's going to pop up with a little thing. Just say yes. And then from here, go through the rest of this installation process. And once again, it's going to go ahead and download for you pretty quickly depending on your internet connection, or it might be a little bit slower. But once it's done, you can either hit next step or just simply hit close again on that confirmation. But that's it. Java is now fully installed and ready to use on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Minecraft and PC tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with mods and servers. Have a great day.